Did you know that green tea is not just a trendy drink, but has remarkable health benefits that are scientifically proven? Today, we're uncovering how green tea can boost your metabolism and improve heart health. Welcome back to the Wellness Guide, your trusted source for health and wellness tips. In today's video, we're diving into the amazing benefits of green tea, a beverage with a long history of use in traditional medicine. We'll explore how it can enhance your metabolism and support heart health. In modern society, many people struggle with metabolic issues and heart diseases. Finding natural solutions to these problems is more important than ever. Green tea offers a promising, scientifically backed approach to improving these critical aspects of our health. Let's delve into the powerful compounds in green tea, such as catechins and antioxidants, that contribute to boosting metabolism and heart health. Catechins. Green tea is rich in catechins, particularly epigallocatechin galati GCG, which is known for its metabolism-boosting properties. Studies have shown that EGCG can increase fat oxidation, helping your body burn more calories. Antioxidants. Green tea is also packed with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a major factor in heart disease. These antioxidants help improve cholesterol levels and support overall heart health. Scientific studies. Research has demonstrated that regular consumption of green tea can lead to significant improvements in metabolic rate and heart health. For instance, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that green tea extract increased 24-hour energy expenditure and fat oxidation in healthy men. Here's the key insight. Green tea can significantly impact your health by increasing fat oxidation, which helps boost metabolism, and by improving cholesterol levels, which supports heart health. These benefits make green tea a powerful addition to your daily routine. To summarize, green tea offers numerous benefits for boosting metabolism and improving heart health, thanks to its natural compounds like catechins and antioxidants. Unlike artificial supplements, green tea provides these advantages in a natural, holistic way. Ready to experience the benefits of green tea for yourself? Try incorporating it into your daily routine and let us know your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Wellness Guide for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.